Hi, my name is Mary Thompson, and I am the instructor for the IT Networking Academy here at the Dr. James A. Forrest Career and Technology Center. Have you ever wondered how a network works or wanted to build or fix your own PC? According to Business Insider, the IT field is in the top 10% of highest paying and most demanded jobs of 2021. So, what does taking IT mean? Well, to begin, it's a 3-year program. In the first year, we learn everything you need to know about hardware, software, peripheral devices like printers and smartphones, operating systems, and how to be a professional support specialist. Hands-on training will occur in our lab and by assisting with real help desk issues. In the second year, it's learning about networks. Using the Cisco CCNA curriculum, you will learn about IP addressing and configuring switches and routers, subnetting, packets, and so much more. You'll begin to apply your knowledge virtually through Packet Tracer or in a lab at your own mini network station. In the third year, we focus on cybersecurity. Students have fulfilled the prerequisites at the high school level who want to take just cybersecurity as an elective or a 1-year program may apply in their 11th grade year if space is available. We will all learn the basics of security and prepare you for the Security Plus during that time. Virtual applications, competitions, and hands-on lab time fully prepare you for your next step. IT networking can really boost you on your path after high school, whether you plan to go to college, straight into the workforce, or even into the military, by giving you real-life experiences and training, working with industry partners, and earning college credit and certifications. Successful completion of this program can possibly earn up to 12 credits towards articulated colleges, with the list of colleges continuing to grow. There are many industry-recognized certifications students prepared for, which also include course completions and job skills, ensuring student success in the career of their choice. But being at the Tech Center is also about preparing for the workforce or being career ready. Whether you go straight into a job during or after high school, or start your career after a 4-year degree, learning the skills to apply, interview, and retain a job are important in sticking out in today's world. Interview fairs with our industry partners prepare students and provides job opportunities. Shadowing and internships provides the experience required in most jobs today. So when you come to the Tech Center for IT networking, you will be with like-minded people and be able to explore other interests and fields. Not only is an IT integral part of most careers today, we also work with multiple other programs. For example, the partnership we have with Electrical Wiring to create a building mock-up to train students in low voltage and telecommunications, or the fun projects that we have done with engineering, or Diesel configuring their engines using computer programs, or maybe helping support software that flies drones in aviation. Here at the Tech Center, we think cross-curricular, and we want you to have the best experiences and opportunity while you are here. We definitely have fun in IT. Whether it's going to a job site, whether we're going on a field trip, or we're attending a technology conference, we also participate in Skills USA and other competitions. We definitely like to get out of the classroom. We also have a lot of extracurricular activities, and our gaming nights have become an epic legacy to live up to. Once the work is done, we really like to have fun. Thanks for learning about the IT program here at the Dr. James A. Forrest and Career Technology Center. Come begin your successful future with me.